Welcome to video number 188, Basic Data Analysis in SPSS, lecture number 5. And today's video is based on splitting and merging data files. Before I formally discuss my topic today, let me remind you that if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly press the subscription button and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get timely notification about my latest videos that I'll upload for you. Thank you. Let me open my data file in SPSS. Now this is the original file and this is unsplit. By unsplit I mean I haven't yet split this video on the basis of some categorical variable or some groups, say for example male, female, married, unmarried, literate versus illiterate, rural versus urban, and so on. And this is a very huge file. If you look at this, it contains 24,238 observations, and this is data, cross-sectional data from PSLM about income distribution in Pakistan. All the provinces are here mentioned here, so this is a very big file. The first column shows household head code, and then there are some other variables. If I go to variable view, we can see that some of them are scale variables, that is they are quantitative variables, some are nominal, we can count them, and some are ordinal. So I'll be analyzing this data. So let me go back to data view and let me go to the top of the file. Before I split this file, let me show some descriptives, and for that I go to analyze and descriptives. I have a number of variables here. So one is age of the household, this is a scale variable. One is the family size, that is the scale variable, and one is the total family income, that is a scale variable, and there are some other variables too. These are logs of the same variable, so I'm only interested in these three variables. So if I click on the option, I can check some of these, and it may give these descriptive statistics. So let me continue, and okay. Now if you see here, SPSS gives me descriptive statistics of these three scale variables. One is age of household head in years, second is family size, number of members, the third variable is total family income, and this is annual income in rupees, and the final row shows the total number of cases. Since there is no missing case, so it lists all the 24,238 observations. Now this is range, this is minimum, this is maximum, this is mean, and this is standard error of mean, this is standard deviation, this is variance, this is skewness, this is standard error of skewness, this is kurtosis, and this is standard error of kurtosis. So it's up to you how many descriptive statistics you want. Now see, these descriptive statistics are for this file which is not split on any basis. Now I want to go to split the original file on some categorical variable, and for that I'll go to data and then split file, and when this dialog box opens, I will compare groups, and I can compare this file or these scale variables on the basis of say for example gender, that is categorical variable, so I'll send it here, and if I press OK, my file has been split. It says sort cases by gender and split file layered by gender. Now if I go to the file and I can compute descriptive statistics for the same three variables that I already put here, then this time you will see the difference. And compare this table with this one. Here there is no split on the basis of gender, but here in this one, when I split this file on the basis of gender, so it gives me descriptive statistics for the three variables based on male and female gender. So these are descriptive statistics for the female headed households, and below this line these are the descriptive statistics for the male headed household, and you can compare all these descriptive statistics based on male and female. Now I want to split this file on another variable. So first I will merge this, and then this time I can take this out, and I want to group this on the basis of marital status. And now you see this is a descriptive statistics based on okay, now I will go to this and analyze descriptives, and this time earlier I had split it the file on the basis of gender, male female. Now this time I did the same procedure, but I split it on the basis of marital status, unmarried and married. Here it shows the total number of households heads who are unmarried, and this is the total number of households whose heads are married. And we can compare various descriptive statistics based on marital status here. Now if we compare range for the unmarried household heads, the range is the range of the age of the household is 62, while for those who are married that is 83. Minimum age here is 11, here it is 16. Maximum here is 73, but for the married it is 99. And this is mean or average age of the household head for the unmarried, and this is for the male, for the married. Similarly, these are this is the variance, that is 111.382, and here this is 166.93. So we can compare all these descriptive statistics based on marital status. Now I want to split this file on some other basis. So I'll go to data, and let me take this out, and I want to compare again these groups by say employment status, and see what happens. And this time the file has been split. Now I go back to the data file, and if I compute descriptive statistics for the same three variables based on employment status, I'll press OK, and now the entire file has been split on the basis of employment status of household head. Now this is jobless or unemployed household heads, and below this line are the employed household heads. And we can compare total number of the cases for the unemployed head of households is 4,910, and for the employed this is 19,328. Range of the age of the household is 88, while that of employed is 84. Maximum for the unemployed is 99, and also for the employed is 99. The average household head for the unemployed our household heads is 55, and for the employed is 43. So we can compare various groups of variables. Similarly, the range of the family size is 35 here, and here it is 60, 62, and the average household size for the unemployed household heads is 6.64, and this is 6.48, and so on. So the idea is that we can split the original file based on some categorical variable. So in this video I showed you that we split this file once on the basis of employment status, then on the basis of marital status, and then on the basis of gender, and that is the original file. Now before I do any further analysis, I'll go to this, and I would like to turn off the split option, because if I don't turn this off, then whatever analysis I will do, the analysis will be performed in groups. So let me highlight this and send it back, and instead of compare means I will check this one, and this is analyze all cases, and when I press OK, SPSS in the output file shows split file off. Now the command for the split file is off, and now if I do any analysis, the analysis will not be performed on the basis of groups or comparison groups. Say for example, if I compare just one variable, income, the descriptive statistics of income only. Now you see the file is unsplit. It's not based on any group. This is the entire file. So this is the idea of how we can split or unsplit or merge back the file. This is the procedure. So if you want to analyze your data in groups, you can split in this way, or if you want to analyze the original file in original, then you don't need to split up, and after splitting you can turn off the split option, and then you can easily analyze the entire file data which is unsplit. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you learned something new in this video, and if you like the video, you may compare this, you may share this with your friends, with other students, with your colleagues, and so that they could also get benefit from this video. I thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any confusion, if you have any question regarding splitting and re-merging the groups into a same file, kindly do ask question in your comment, or you can send me email.